Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and environment. Make sure the device is rooted if the app requires it, or that you granted all runtime permissions. Open the Recovery app and choose the target network from the scan list. This is the first actionable step. Once done, allow the app to read saved configs or run a scan probe, because the tool needs that data to reconstruct credentials. Make sure to grant temporary storage access and keep the device awake while the app processes. You now run the recovery operation and watch the progress indicators. Stay with the screen so you can respond to permission prompts. If decryption is available, select it for faster, reliable results. If not, pick a controlled brute mode and limit threads to avoid overheating. While the app works, inspect logs for errors and note candidate keys. This helps you understand why a key succeeded or failed. Make sure to pause if battery drops below 20% and resume when stable. You finish by validating the recovered password. Attempt to connect and observe authentication feedback. If connection fails, recheck the network's encryption type and the key length reported by the app. Mismatched parameters are a common cause. Once done, clear temporary files and export verified credentials securely. If things go wrong, try a quick troubleshooting sequence. Restart the app, toggle Wi-Fi, rerun the scan with different decrypt settings. This often resolves transient errors and completes recovery successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.